conventional technologies, which is VDSL and ADSL. So ADSL, it has become a very conventional old technology. I'll compare this FTTH with the VDSL technology, which still it is being used in many parts of the country. When I compare FTTH with VDSL, the very first point is the media via which your data is being transmitted. This is the reason I started with the webinar with the very first line, that your data which is traveling in the form of light pulses on the glass media, on the optical media, is what is fiber connectivity is. Your VDSL used copper as a transmission media. Copper has many losses. If you are aware of fluke network testing, you must have observed there are many losses that are generated in copper media. It can be crosstalk, it can be EMIs, electromagnetic interferences, it can be next losses, attenuation. There are n number of losses associated with copper. Fiber, I won't say there are no losses, but there are less losses in fiber as compared to your copper. So this is the first advantage. Second advantage of FTTH is, when I speak about speeds, VDSL downlink and uplink, the speeds were 100 Mbps in both directions. If I come to FTTH, directly from Mbps, we have come to Gbps speeds, giga speeds. FTTH, in downlink, downloading the data, we can have the speeds till 2.488 Gbps. You can note it down, you learn it by heart. While in uploading the data, the speed is 1.25 Gbps. Remember these points, please. We'll use this again and again. Downloading FTTH, the bandwidth is 2.488 Gbps. Uploading 1.25 Gbps. So we have jumped from Mbps to Gbps. This is another advantage. Copper, you must be aware of it. Whenever it is copper connectivity, we have a distance limitation, transmission distance limitation to it. In fiber, we can take it up to 20 kilometers. We can take it up to the further distances using termination. So there is less transmission distance constraints as compared to your normal copper connectivity. So these are the technical benefits of FTTH over other technologies.